What's up, guys? So today we got a Navigator 5500 with a nav reach on it. The slide assembly, this is cracking on this. There's a crack right there in the weld. Another crack right in there. Another crack right there, all the way down. Yeah, so it got multiple cracks all over here, right there. So we need to take that out, and we're gonna go get it welded up, fixed up. See, here's another crack right there. So what we did right now is we already got all the hoses off. All the hoses are off, all the cylinders. Alright, so I got the hoses off. Hoses are off. There's nothing on there. So all we gotta do now is take these pins out, take the cylinder off, take the other pin off, and take these bottom cylinders off. Pull the pin out from right, pull these pins out, then that, and we should be able to pull this out and get it out the way, and then take this cylinder off, and this should slide easily out. So that's the plan. Let's see what happens.
You can throw this one at me. You don't gotta take the top one off. Right?
Nah, that one can stay on there.
You're not gonna wear no fucking short sleeve button, man.
Nah?
Nah, bro. I'd rather roll it up.
I don't know, I hate the rolling up.
I'd rather roll it up or fucking, I don't know. It just looks, I don't know, that's just me. It got hurt somewhere.
There you go. Put in the, yeah. Alright, here you go. Careful. Alright. Yeah, it should just pop up easily.
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably not. Hit it more. Oh no, you came up. There you go. Just like that. Well, that will zip tie it. But that goes with that one. So now it's just these little screws. I think there's solid 10.
10?
Yeah, 10.
Okay.
You good.
Could you 11?
11?
Try 11.
Alright guys, so we got it off. There goes one pin. I'm gonna go to lunch. Then once we get back, we're gonna pull that out, load it up, see what's off. Alright. Alright, that bitch is off. Figures out, and that's what she looks like. All the hoses made a fucking mess, but it's alright.